So these are the Glow to Go Standard Pack Premium Mini Self-Tanning Towels. And we were gifted these to give our honest opinion on them, to just give them a try, see what we think about them, give you some feedback. So we thought we would give these a try. These are the self-tanning mini towels with organic ingredients. Unfold and apply towelette as needed. Use sparingly around your ankles, knees, and elbows. Wait 10 minutes before getting dressed. Wash hands thoroughly after applying. I think I might get some gloves and do that. Okay, I got some gloves here. And we'll just do a little self-tanning mini towelette. There we go. Get it open there. We'll see what it looks like here. Okay, I'm gonna pull this little towelette out of here and see how it works for self-tanning towelettes. Let's see if you can see we'll just do it right here on the top of my leg. It says don't apply too much to around your knees and stuff, but there you go. We're gonna just see how that turns out here. Oops, dropped that towelette on the floor. So apply again after 24 hours. Can be used daily for external use only. Stop using if signs of irritation or rash appear. Okay, we're gonna see how that looks here. Okay, so this is 2 days, about 48 hours later, approximately. And you can see that there's definitely a difference between the part where I didn't put the tanning towelette and where I did. You can see there's kind of this line here where it's lighter here and darker here. So this is about 48 hours later. So definitely made some difference.